Hey, it's Kent here from Apprentice Recruit. And if you're in the inner Western Sydney suburbs and you're looking for an apprenticeship as a carpenter, keep watching this video. This opportunity could be for you. So we've picked up a position for a new client based down around the Leighhardt region down in Sydney, and they're looking for an apprentice carpenter to join their team. Now, these guys do mainly extensions and renovations and alterations to properties, and mainly in the residential field. So they're looking for a junior to join their team, so somebody who's under the age of 21 and somebody who's really interested in carpentry as a career, not just as a job. So because of their location of their work, they do need somebody who does have a license and a vehicle to be able to get to work every day. We'd like somebody who's maybe even completed a pre-vocational course, say a Certificate 1 or a Certificate 2 in building and construction, and somebody who maybe also has a basic tool belt that they can also have ready to go. You'll also need your white card. And for this particular role, because of some of the locations and properties you'll be working on, you also need to be double vaxxed. If you are interested in this position, or you know somebody who may be interested, then we will leave a link in the description below on how to apply for this particular role. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that notification button, and that way, as future opportunities come through our agency, we can let you know straight away. So it's Kent once again from Apprentice Recruit. Thanks.